Hi cuties, good morning.
Good morning.
Today is a big day for both of us and we thought कि हम vlog करेंगे आपके लिए, आपको दिखाएंगे. Mainly it is one of our biggest project that we're gonna work on in our content creation journey. And honestly, कल
Till
मैंने
now.
till now, of course, till now, to bigger things always, but मैंने कल इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरीज भी डाली थी कि इट्स अ बिग डे टुडे फॉर अस एंड ऑनेस्टली नेवर स्टॉप चेजिंग योर ड्रीम्स बिकॉज ऐसे दिन आपको देखने मिलते हैं.
Never stop chasing your dreams.
या
Okay.
व्हाई ये अभी तक नींद में बफर कर रहे हैं वो.
Good morning. Good morning.
बट अभी हम जा रहे हैं सो कम अलोंग विथ अस. हम आपको वहां जाके दिखाते हैं कि व्हाट द प्रोजेक्ट इज एंड हम क्या करने वाले हैं. वरना मैं अभी बता देती हूँ बिकॉज देयर इज सम टाइम टिल वी रीच द डेस्टिनेशन, सो आई विल टेल यू. सो दिस इज आवर प्रोजेक्ट विथ Godrej and it being the first of the bigger the brands that you live and coexist and grow up with. Godrej is such a name. तो उनके साथ हम करें एक छोटा सा मिनी सीरीज, मिनी ड्रामा सीरीज.
ये भी फर्स्ट टाइम है हमारे लिए.
ये भी फर्स्ट टाइम है हमारे लिए टू बी डूइंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मिनी ड्रामा और मिनी सीरीज. इट्स लाइक अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर 3 reels or you say a 1 series for them. So it's a big deal and what's more special about this thing? ये हमें opportunity मिला है because someone actually saw our content and she liked us. And
It's not just for one day or twice. She's been following us for about
1 year and more.
1.5 year, and then she joined this firm as a marketing executive or something.
And then she gave us the opportunity, like she pitched for us, like we were her favorite content creators, and that's how we got the opportunity. Of course, my team, Mitali, everyone is like working to get us good brand deals and everything. But this also felt very, that day it felt so when we got to know how we got this opportunity, when we went for the site visit to see कहाँ shoot होने वाला है, तभी हमें ऐसे लगा कि oh my god, some people is like they're seeing you, they're valuing your work, they like you and hence you get such opportunities. तो दिल बहुत खुश है इस बात से, है ना?
Of course. Lots of love.
Lots of love, of course. ये सब possible है because you guys shower so much love on us and we are able to do it because you're reciprocating the love that we are putting out there. So of course it is to you guys only that we get to see such good mornings. तो चलो आज हम आपको फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे लाइफ में ये दिखाएंगे कि how we shoot and our team is going to be there.
What goes behind all the things that you see?
Yeah.
Of course, this is very very different from what we do. हम है उसको दिखाते हैं आज तक, पर ये सीरीज है, this is where we are enacting something else.
Correct.
This is also new for us.
Mostly like acting, है ना?
हाँ, acting ही है. We are getting into some others shoes to shoot this content. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
But it's new for us. So let's see. Excited.
We've got ready for the first shoot. Like we've already wore the outfit ये 2 बार हो रहा है. अभी मैं outfit last time ही बोला था, कट किया था मैंने, but okay. But अभी हम ready, हम जाएंगे. 7 AM हो रहा है, so we start the shoot early in the morning ताकि it's a very long shoot. It's a 3 episodes का drama. So we are going very early morning to begin everything. तो come along, we'll show you कैसे होता है, क्या होता है. We are also very excited and thank you so much everyone because जितना thank you बोले उतना कम है. आप नहीं होते, आप ये vlog अभी नहीं देख रहे होते तो हम किसको बताएं ये सब. So thank you so much and come along. We have come to the location, that's Godrej, Brooklyn Avenue. That is the new project of Godrej जिसके लिए हम कर रहे हैं. We might be the first or second creators who are shooting here. So super excited. हम हमारा पूरा सामान लेके आए हैं. And that's our videographer Gautam, the face behind most of our brand reels. So he does all of our brand reels. बहुत सारे जन हमें पूछते हैं कि इतने अच्छे brand reels कैसे करते हो. This is one man show. కొంచెంగా he's shy but yeah, ये सारा सामान है शूट के लिए. It's gonna be a long day, so let's go. And गौतम का कार देखो, येलो. पहले वो बैटमैन की तरह ब्लैक था, अभी येलो हो गया। चलो गाइस, हाय,
Hi.
have you come to Brooklyn now?
Hey, it's not Brooklyn, it's Brooklyn Avenue.
Brooklyn Avenue, I see.
Hi. We have already reached here and there is hardly anyone. Of course, it is 7:30, and here you see this is the model of this project. It's about 45 floors and 7 floors of clubhouse and stuff like that. Looks very fancy. The theme is Brooklyn, so they have couple of Brooklyn photos and something like this. You can see, and here she is coordinating along with getting ready with the scripts and stuff.
Logistics.
She is calling the manager rather than the manager calling her. Too dedicated to be an influencer. Come on, you have to be a little more easy.
गाइस बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट शूट हम आपको ये वाला दिखाते हैं, इनका सैम्पल फ्लैट. दिस इज अ 4 BHK एंड इट इज सो 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 बिग. మంచిగా చాలా పెద్ద. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ కుకట్పల్లి అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ లైక్ దిస్ వెరీ humongous hall. ह्यूमंगस बालकनी ऑल्सो. ये बालकनी देखो कितनी बड़ी है. ओ माय गॉड, इधर मेरा मुंबई का घर का हॉल आ जाता है. वी मुंबईकर्स आर दुख ऑफ स्मॉल होम्स. बट ये देखो यहाँ पे लिविंग एरिया कितना बड़ा है. वाओ, दिस लुक्स लाइक माई ड्रीम होम. एंड दे हैव 4 BHK, तो ये छोटा सा रूम है. एंड दिस इज़ द ओपन किचन. सो ब्यूटिफुल राइट. आज हम यहाँ पे शूट करेंगे. एंड वॉट आई लव इज ये ओपन किचन है एंड देर इज़ लाइक अनदर यहाँ पे सिंक एंड ऑल के लिए. सो गुड. एंड यहाँ पे दे हैव द यूटिलिटी एरिया. मतलब मैं आई एम सोल्ड. इसका प्राइसिंग आई थिंक थोड़ा 3 करोड़ प्लस टाइप्स है. बट I'll show you the master bedroom. Oh my god, you're not ready for this. ये देखो. It has balcony also and a छोटा सा walk-in closet. Oh, and that's me. Hi. So, and there are then 2 rooms there. बहुत बड़ा और सुंदर घर है ना. कभी तो लेंगे हम भी अपना इतना बड़ा अच्छा सा घर. ऐसे मुंबई में एक घर है बट वो यहाँ पे किसी ने AC ऑन रखा है. And look at this. Lovely. Loved it. चलो अभी हम शूट स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड विल बी बैक. फर्स्ट रील के लिए विल टेक नियरली 30 to 40 minutes. तो उतना करते हैं देन विल कम बैक. ओके, लेट्स बिगिन. चलो.
Let's go.
Our first shoot is done. And Sanjana's here. Sanjana, say hi.
Our manager is reviewing it.
Yes, she's reviewing it. We'll see shot by shot.
She was so early that she just came right before the.
Go no. Papa may say firstly she is going to Ujjain tomorrow and she has come. Okay, be grateful.
Thank you, madam.
नुस्ता मस्ती करते हैं इन लोग. ऐसे मस्ती नहीं करने का. But let's see how the shots have come, giving you guys a glimpse of it.
మరి క్రిటికల్ అవసరం లేదు. తర్వాత ఎడిటర్ కూడా కొంచెం పని ఉన్నది.
They're talking in Telugu. If people understand Telugu, you all know what they're talking. We will change the clothes for the second episode. Here is Chintu Chintu. Now we have changed and we are going to do the second reel. This is new outfit. क्या बोल रहा है तू, मुझको बता. Officially become a mono person.
So excited about this clubhouse. It's a 75,000 square feet space and it's inspired by Brooklyn.
Okay, guys, we are off to the last shoot. 2 reels are done, and this is the
बहुत अच्छे से जल्दी जल्दी हो रहा है.
yes. This
All thanks to
no, all thanks to our team. Yes, yes, our team, and our videographer who's there, and of course the heroes and heroine. But this is the last outfit, and let's get the last shoot done too. It's 11/11 and she has 11/11 tattoo also. Girls who believe in 11/11. लिपस्टिक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया है क्या? लिपस्टिक थोड़ा ज़्यादा है? नो ठीक है. आदत ही नहीं इतना लिपस्टिक. माइक लगा रहा है मेरे लिए.
one go.
Some places just your build quotes. They build friendships and continuation kada.
Correct है. Look, full dialogue. Song. हाँ, ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Some places just don't build homes. Some places just don't build homes. They build friendships. And Godrej Brooklyn Avenue is all about community, connectivity, and a bridge to a better life.
Nice.
कितना खूबसूरत.
One line देख के book करके आए थे कहाँ?
Casa Grande in Bangalore. It's looking so beautiful. The home is so beautiful, guys. Hi. एक दिन ऐसा घर बनाएंगे ना.
100% बनाएंगे. खुद मैं मिस्त्री बनूंगा तो
Leave it, guys. He's stoked by working so hard. Look at our videographer working so hard. Okay, guys, we have wrapped up the shoot and
100%.
100% इनका उसका internal joke चल रहा था. But we are done with the shoot and it's just 12:48. I think we did a very good work for 3 reels. है ना संज? इतना सारा सामान है हमारे पास. But let's go. That was a nice shoot. अभी संजना जा रही है. उसको छोड़ के आते हैं.
नेहा संजना को लंच भी नहीं खिला रही है.
I told her to come with me. She has to go to Ujjain, so there are a lot of plans. Tejas is dropping her home now.
भूल गया मैं.
Bye, Sanj. See you very soon. We'll miss you. I'll miss you more. Okay, guys, that's how the shoot went. And I think ये हमारा first time है to show you all also how we shoot brand reels and the things that happen, behind the scenes. This is the day of the shoot, but हम इस campaign के लिए yesterday entire day we were working. Scripts approve नहीं हो रहे थे, हम on the go कर रहे थे, 1 घंटे के call हो रहे थे.
We मतलब only नेहा.
हाँ, mostly I handle the logistics, operational, like all part of it.
Me.
Yeah, execution and Tejas steps in because he also has office and everything. So I take care of brands, brand deals, scripts, arranging everything. But scripting is my favorite part. I love making scripts and concept. And कल I think जिन लोगों ने भी Instagram stories देखे थे, they saw that I posted कि I had a very hectic day. मतलब मुझे 7:30 बजे से give up हो रहा था कि I can't do this anymore. I stressed 8 yesterday कि इतना सारा हो रहा था कि 8 outfits पैक करने हैं, देखना है कि videographer is aligned, manager is aligned, script is approved, we get all the approvals in time. So there's a lot of thing that happens behind the scene also. Of course आज के दिन में तो shoot करने के लिए also you need a lot of time. जैसे आज हम 7 बजे आए थे और 1 बजे अभी हम जा रहे हैं. We have not eaten anything, so अभी हम जाएंगे और lunch करेंगे. But I don't know, we're so happy. We just did our first big project.
Hey, completed.
Yeah. अभी editor का काम है, उसमें भी बहुत सारा time जाता है, बैठना पड़ता है to tell them what you thought how the reel should look like, and a lot of time will go in that. But at least shoot हो गया है, so we are good. Let's have some lunch and आपको दिखाते हैं हम आज एक नया जगह in हैदराबाद. ये शायद हमने पहले दिखाया था आपको. This is Swachh. And it has kind of mixed Bangalore and Hyderabad style food. So चलो देखते हैं. We have reached Swachh यहाँ पे and this is how it looks. Let's go inside. This is how the place looks. Very beautiful it is. यहाँ पे ऐसे कोर साउथ इंडियन फूड मिलता है. इडली, डोसा, बिस्बेलाबाद, more like Hyderabad and Bangalore का mixture. Freely promoting Hyderabad cafes because I'm a Hyderabadi now. We've come for lunch now यहाँ पे, तो let's see क्या क्या options है. Our lunch is here. I ordered a ghee karam dosa and this is Nannari. natural dish. Any, I just kept it here only. And Tejas has mini meal.
I did not eat puri.
I did not eat puri. पहले ही बोल रहा है पूरी नहीं खाया मैंने. ठीक है. Let's enjoy. And that is the end of this vlog. हमारा लंच हो गया और हम घर जा रहे हैं. And I'm telling you, मैं इतना सुकून से सोऊंगी because कल रात को नींद नहीं मिली. आज सुबह जल्दी उठे थे 5:30 AM को. So now we're just gonna rest. And honestly, these are the days which I feel I manifested. My manifestation has come true. You always would want to, you dream such things. Ki you work with bigger brands, a lot of people appreciating you for your work. And honestly, to get to do these things, मैंने ये बहुत बार बोला Instagram पे कि I always wanted to do marketing campaigns, and that's exactly what I'm doing today. है ना पुंटू?
Absolutely. मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है बताओ.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है जिंदगी में.
It's the new era marketing, right?
Yes.
Social media marketing जो है, it's not simple making reels and making fun. It takes a lot of effort. Which
It's
audience?
like a proper shoot, end to end proper shoot.
Shoot तो हमारे लिए है, पर जो campaign run कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी it's a full strategy thing that they do. कौन सा market में actual में कि कौन सा क्या बोलते हैं क्रिएटर्स को पकड़ना है, क्या उनका स्ट्रैटेजी है, किसको एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, किसको अवेयरनेस करना है. अवेयरनेस है कि व्हाट डू यू कॉल
कोई एक्शन है, like CTA है. And it just helps that we have studied marketing in our masters. We both did masters from Indian Institute of Science. आपको अभी तक पता होगा, but बहुत सारे जन फिर भी पूछते हैं. So just reiterating कि
बहुत डिटेल में इन लोग कराते हैं जो भी
Yes.
reels. तो every frame is already checked, you know.
आज हम
What
शूट
can
कर
be
रहे
shot,
थे.
what cannot be shot, how it should look like. You can't have some of the content in your reel क्योंकि ब्रांड का पोजीशनिंग चेंज हो जाएगा.
कल हम जो स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहे थे तभी they were like, for every line of the script, is it a positive notation or a negative? Will it get some backlash? Will it be suited with all type of audience? Like बहुत सारी चीजें हो रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं कि स्क्रिप्ट लिख दिया, ऐसा नहीं कि ChatGPT यूज कर दिया and you generate anything. No, we sat through hours and hours to come up with a concept and to see what is the implication of each thing that we are showing on the screen. So, but shoot काफ़ी अच्छा था, हमने काफ़ी अच्छे से किया. And again, thank you universe for such opportunities. Thank you guys for watching us, for giving us so much love that brands trust us with their such big projects. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. कुछ questions होंगे तो comment में बताओ. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep giving this love to us. See you on the next vlog. Bye bye. एंड जब ये सीरीज आएगी इंस्टाग्राम पे तब जरूर देखना एंड बताना हाउ डू यू लाइक इट.